Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam and Merry Christmas. We're doing a giveaway. If you want to win this Flysky ST8 radio, stick around. Basically just leave a comment down below, but I'm gonna get more into that. But first I wanna say thanks to the sponsor for this video, which is none other than PCBWay. PCBWay makes custom printed circuit boards. So if you have a design that you want to turn into an actual circuit board, you can send those files to them and they'll create it for you out of thin air. It's amazing. And they can even place all the components on there for you because they have thousands to choose from and send it to you so that it's ready to beep and bop and boop and do whatever you designed it to do when it arrives at your door. Now, maybe you don't want to make a PCB, but maybe you want to design some sort of prototype. They also offer rapid prototyping services. They can do sheet metal bending, they can do CNC machining, injection molding, and 3D printing out of various materials to create all kinds of things. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'll have a link to PCBWay down in the description of this video if you want to check them out. Now, let's get back to the giveaway. This is the Flysky ST8 radio. Not really my favorite radio, to be honest with you, and that's why it's just been sitting around gathering dust, and I said, hey, somebody could probably use this radio instead of it just gathering dust, because that's not a very useful thing for it to do. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to be entered to win this radio. Here's how this is gonna work. Leave one comment only, down in the description of this video. You can say whatever you want. You can say Merry Christmas. You can say, yes, I would like to win this radio. If you don't want this radio, but you want to leave a comment, just specifically say, don't put me in the contest. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a random comment picker, and let's say you have until the end of this year, because I know everybody's doing Christmas stuff and it gets busy. So let's say, January 1st, we'll decide, that's when the contest is gonna close, and then I'll pick from all the random comments, or I'll randomly pick from all the comments down below and see who gets this radio. If you are in the Continental United States, the shipping will be free, but if you live outside of the Continental United States, shipping gets kind of crazy. So I'm gonna say I could pay for half of the shipping if you're willing to pay for the other half of the shipping cost, and we'll get this radio to you. It's gonna come with 2 receivers, one kind of for like a quad and one for an airplane, but you could also use it for a quad. And if you want to see the full review that I did on this radio, it is somewhere on my YouTube channel. Maybe I'll have a link to that. Maybe you're just getting started and you don't even have a radio, and this could get you in there. So if you're interested, leave a comment down below. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you again soon. Also, be sure to read the description below this video for full details on this contest. Winners will be announced in a video after the contest entry period has ended, so stay tuned for that video and watch it so that you'll know if you've won or not. And then we'll go through a verification process to make sure that the person who entered the comment is actually the person who's winning and who's gonna get the thing, and we'll get all that straightened out, and that's the way it's gonna go. Now get out there and fly something.
I mean, we get bars,
Okay, syncing it up, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome back. Merry Christmas, jeez,